Well, that concludes my first workout of the day. It's 6:44. let's go get this walk. And y'all, I have already burned 338 calories.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body look is unpolite. Done be in the humble life. Tell me, is you down?
Yeah, I'm out here with the birds chirping early. I'm sweating. I just finished another workout right before this. It's 6:49. Go take you a walk. Start your day right. Good morning.
Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. All in hope she's left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight.
Yeah.